Yeah, hi. So I'm Oliver Held from RoboAuto, and our company is working on teleoperation. So we bring to a project the teleoperation system and deployed it for different vehicles. So for cars, trucks, and a skid steer. So during a demo, you will see a remote operator how he connects to a skid steer, and then he can do all the things that the driver in a skid steer should do. So he will start in a hall, and he will go outside with a skid steer, and then he can manipulate the tool and move the stuff. Often the environment for the vehicles like a skid steer are very dusty or poisonous or something like that. So it's really beneficial for people to stay away from that and do the work with the same efficiency as they are in a vehicle itself.